Oh, Velvet, tonight was just so much fun. Val, what's this? Oh, I don't know, Voxy. Maybe you could tell me. You see, I was just coming in here to enjoy some time with my baby girls, and then moment ruined because I see this little toucan bird with Fruit Loops, and no. That's what I had for breakfast. I'm trying to come in here, enjoy some sexy time, and to Fruit Loop bird. You tell me what's going on here, Voxy. Val, you know, we don't bring no birds up in the crib. You know that. You know what's up? Why don't we go pet it? Let's go pet it. Yeah, so we're just going over here, and we're just gonna pet this little bird. Yeah, good birdie. Val, get my gun! He ate me, Val! Oh, blimey. Don't worry, Vox. I got your Glock. Alright, I've never shot your Glock before because you never allow me to touch it. So, this is gonna be a new time for me. Just shoot it, Val! Just shoot it! Ah, Val! You shot me! You shot me, Tino! Go, hit me! Kill me now!